Hi everyone, it's Sam Schick from JRA, where we help you make more money and live a better life. I want to talk about something that was important to me right around this time of the year every year. Mid-January, I'm looking to get my business in shape for the coming second quarter, because we all know it's the busiest quarter, spring cleaning. It's when we see the most amount of revenue coming in. And I looked at ways in which I can build efficiencies into my business, but also tighten down my business. And I had the time. I had the time to do it. So look at this time as, it's a bit soft, but it's an opportunity time. Don't look at it as a way where we'll just sit back and wait for business to happen. Start working on your business in areas that you really need. And that one area that I'm going to talk about is going to be recruiting. We all want to be ready and willing and have enough people and capacity to meet the business with enough people and the right people come March 15th when it starts to kick off. So in the middle of January is when I started looking at dropping ads, looked at recruiting, actively going out and looking for people, bringing as many people in as possible for interviews. And again, if you're not familiar with group interviews, I'm a big supporter of group interviews. So if you're interested in knowing more about that, I'll have a video on that. But I also thought this is the time where I'm not going to sit back. I'm going to actually go out and make sure I have enough people starting the second quarter. So it's not enough just to do ZipRecruiter and Monster and Facebook and Indeed. Although those work, they were effective. I used them, but it wasn't the only thing. I had to use several different methods of trying to find people. I used, down to magnet signs that went on the trucks, looking for people, and also lawn signs that went along trails and places where people were physically active was a great place to find the right people. But there were some other areas that maybe you haven't thought of, and that certainly helped us. Colleges, going to the admin office at a college and talking to them about the opportunity, what you have to offer. Again, when I talk about jobs, I talk about it's similar to my business. We were a sales and marketing company that just happened to pick up junk. Well, in recruiting, we're a marketing business that does sales, that just happens to hire people. And first we market the job. And where do we market it? Digital, through some of the on board, but also going to colleges, going to churches. Believe it or not, churches, great opportunity to talk to a pastor or priest in a church. They know many families that might have needs for maybe somebody at home that needs a job, or somebody that's unemployed, or somebody that it's not a bad place to find some people. Just stopping into a church, talking to the pastor, just telling him what you're looking for, leaving something behind, some kind of job offer that what are the benefits behind what you have to offer, is something you might want to consider. Health clubs were always a great opportunity for me to stop in a health club, and I put a sign up on a court board, or we usually had some kind of neighborhood board. Even leave it at the front desk. Ask them, and they'll let you do that. So it was a great way to find people, and certainly physically active people that were able to build up the strength in order to handle the job. Grocery stores, whether they were chain grocery stores, small grocery stores, they seem to all have community boards or neighborhood boards where I could put information. But the other thing was when you're out in the community and you see great customer service, why not offer them a job? Or if you don't want to blatantly poach somebody, just go up and say, hey, listen, I like the way you handle customers. I'm sure you have friends and family that are just like you. Those are the people I'm looking to hire. Maybe indirectly try to hire them through their friends. But those are some of the ways in which we can actively get out and look for people. Again, I didn't wait for my business to do it to me. I wanted to make sure that I was in control. So I didn't. If I needed people, I tried to go wherever I could find them. And it's amazing what desperation will do. And that's the worst thing, is to be in a situation where you're hiring people under desperation. So give yourself plenty of time to hire the right people. The right people can do amazing things to your business, just as much as the wrong people can. So not only hire the right people, but assess your staff now. Make sure that you currently have all the right people working for you. And use this time wisely and get yourself prepared for a very busy spring. So anyway, guys, whatever I can do to help you out, let me know. I'm dropping videos like this to give you some kind of tips, some of the things that help me build my business. But you guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.